how to find account number on Bank of America. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can find your account number on Bank of America, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to find account number on Bank of America, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Bank of America application. Then all you have to do is first of all you need to log in to your account. Once you log into your online banking or mobile banking, by entering your user ID and password, select your account from the Accounts Overview page. Then go to Information and Services tab, click the Show Link in Account Details section, and there you'll find your account number. Now, Bank of America account numbers are usually 12 digits long, so if it's not 12 digits, that must not be it. So you need to make sure that is the case. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.